Hi, Amber.
Hello, Carlos.
Now we are going to assemble the fast connector. Take this is what we do for you. Let's go. Strip the cable. Assemble the fiber clamp. Use the assembly tools. Strip the fiber. Clean it with alcohol. Cut the fiber. Insert into the fast connector. Lock it. Clean the interface. Test it. See this is the test date. Move it. See the date. Okay. Unassemble it. Insert into the connector again. Lock it. And clean the interface before we test it. See? Move. Okay. It's stable. The test data is very stable. Okay, no problem. Okay.